Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this Burton AI filter on TikTok. Okay, so this is the effect. To get this effect on TikTok, what you can do, just go to Effect Gallery. Okay, in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section. What you can do, tap on the search button. Okay, and here search for Burton HD. Okay, the first one with 573.8k videos. This is the effect. Just tap on it. Okay, you got the filter. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery. What you can do, go to your For You page and here search for Burton HD filter. Okay, so here on the top row you will see the effect icon. You can tap there. You will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. You can tap there to use the effect. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then you can tap on any of this video. Okay, as you can see on the bottom left corner of the video, the effect name is there. It's in yellow. Just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button and you can use the effect. Okay, suppose you're not getting the effect either way, what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and you got the filter. Now you can browse the picture from your camera roll, and that's it. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.